hit new show on the Krazy channel, Cooking with the Krazy Chef. In today's show, we're going to be making a family favorite, meaty cheesies. It's simple ingredients. All you need is some bread. Any type of bread will do. Any type of margarine. That could be, I can't believe it's not butter. It could be sticks. It just has to be spreadable. Any type of cheese is preferred. Today's episode we'll be using American cheese. And of course any type of meat. Like in today's episode we'll be using some sliced deli meat turkey. Now the thing about meaty cheesies is they're very delicious. It's like a grilled cheese sandwich with meat. This can be made anytime. During quarantine. This is a very good quarantine lunch or dinner. After a big holiday like Thanksgiving. This is like you take all your big old leftover turkey and make a meaty cheesy with it. So, let's get started. Okay, first thing you always do when preparing a home meal or if you're working at a restaurant, you must wash your hands. I've already washed my hands and I'm ready to start making the meal. First, let's say you're making one meaty cheesy. You grab 2 slices of bread, obviously. You put it on the plate like this. You take out, then you grab your, can't believe it's not butter. Oh, alright, nope, it's not fresh butter. Okay, so, what you're going to do is you're going to take your butter knife, obviously, and then you're going to, spread it out on the loaf. I suggest a thin layer, because, right now you can't believe it's not butter a lot. That way you can conserve on your margarine use. The pieces of bread, as you can see. And we're ready to take them to the stove. So if you fold the pan large enough for 2 slices of bread, even though I don't know why I did that because I'll only be needing enough for one. So we go in here to the spatula drawer, grab ourselves a spatula, as I used to call them flipperty dippers. Just the pan. Then set the spatula down. We grab our cheese here. We unwrap the packaging because this is American cheese. We grab our Orlando Fresh Premium Turkey Breast Honey Smoked Deli Meat stuff. And we grab 1, 2, 3. Then we seal it back up, and then we set it back on the island. Okay, then we grab our spatula, and we grab the other slice of bread, put it on top of there. Like that. Don't do that. Never touch a hot pan, like I almost did. So you want to keep it more like medium-high heat, because we want to make it look like grilled cheese consistency, like crispy but not burnt. It's like golden brown. And now we wait. So, if we look at the pan right here, we can see that it's starting to get a nice golden brown consistency. It's a little soft in the middle, but after a little bit more cooking time, it should be good. Now if we look at the other side, because I just flipped this, it is a nice golden brown consistency. I flipped it at just the right time. It's looking good. Now we just have to fry the other side. Alright, so now that the sandwich is done, it's pretty hot. Let's do a taste test. It's very good. The American cheese is melted with the turkey. It did get a little burnt on one side, but that's fine. It takes time and practice makes perfect.